Talk with you about something that happened a couple days ago. I had a buyer looking at a property. We like the property, they want to make an offer, but there's some things that we had to check out, and it was brand new on the market. And when it's new on the market, as a buyer in this market, you've got that fear that maybe somebody else is going to get it. Oh my gosh, I better act. But I want to find out this stuff first before I buy it. So what I suggested is, let's make the offer. Let's make the offer with the price you're willing to pay, with the terms you're willing to go with, and let's write in the offer that it's contingent for a few days on checking out this, and this. And if this, and this is unsatisfactory, then, well, there's no deal and you get your money back. So it made a lot of sense to do that. And the listing agent said to me, once we did it, well, Marjorie, they need these few days to check this stuff out. We don't want to take the place off the market. Well, I'm going to tell you this. It happened to be a condo, and in a condo, you get 3 business days in our market to back out anyway. So any buyer is going to have those few days. So we got the seller to see it our way. The buyer got to tie up the property. Now we're going to go and look at it and make sure they can do what they want to do. But in the meantime, the buyer's excited they got the condo, and the seller is excited that it's under contract. So it was a win-win for both sides. Whereas if the buyer didn't make the offer, another buyer could have come in, they could have bought the property, maybe it wouldn't have been as good a deal for the seller. So everything worked out. So I'm here to tell you that if you're a buyer and you want to buy something that's new on the market, and you have a little bit of fear that you don't want to check everything out because it's going to take too long, make your offer. Make your offer contingent on those few little things that you want to check out that probably aren't that big a deal. Present that offer to that seller, and if that seller doesn't have another buyer, it's in their best interest to take it off and let you check it out for a few days. I will say that if you are in a position as a buyer to make an offer and it's new on the market, don't come in and ask for the moon. Don't come in with a low price and ask for all kinds of crazy contingencies. Go in really strong, go in strong and powerful with price and terms, and then put that little note in there that you just want to check out X, Y, and Z. All right? If you don't have an agent that's willing to do that for you, you can call me, Marjorie Dick Stuart, 240-731-8079. You see a place, you like it, make that offer. And if you're a seller, don't worry about taking it if it's just contingent for a few days, because you can tie each other up into a situation that's good for both of you. So thanks for watching Tuesday at 2. I'll see y'all next week. Tell your friends.